The journey begins here with thousands of raw honeycombs arriving fresh from the apiaries. Precisely removes the wax seal without damaging the delicate. Centrifugal force extracts the liquid gold from every single natural high temperature to preserve all its nutrients. Massive storage capacity allows us to produce honey for millions of people, ensuring airtight seal for long-lasting freshness, especially when it involves pure liquid gold. From the quality of the honey to the perfection of the label.
Welcome! Today we will show you how modern technology produces the purest honey in the world.
Journey begins here with thousands of raw honeycombs arriving fresh from the apiaries. Every single comb is scanned with high-tech lasers to ensure not a single drop of impurity enters the line. Our smart machine precisely removes the wax seal without damaging the delicate honey cells. Spinning at high speeds, centrifugal force extracts the liquid gold from every single cell. Look at that incredible viscosity! This is nature's true gift, extracted with perfection. Nothing goes to waste. The empty frames are sent back to the bees for reuse. We keep the honey at natural hive temperature to preserve all its nutrients and enzymes. Thousands of liters are now traveling through high-tech pipelines towards purification. In the first stage, we remove larger wax particles to begin the clarifying process. Purity is our main goal, so the filtration happens in multiple rigorous stages.
This special microfilter ensures the honey stays liquid and transparent for years.
Maintaining the perfect moisture level is vital so the honey never ferments or spoils. Every batch is strictly tested in our lab to meet the highest quality standards. For glass-like finish, we use state-of-the-art microclarifiers. To maintain a consistent flavor, we perfectly blend various types of natural honey. Moving air bubbles gives our honey its signature brilliant and clear glow. Flash cooling locks in the natural color and prevents the loss of aromatic compounds. Our massive storage capacity allows us to produce honey for millions of people daily. These massive blades work day and night to keep the honey density uniform. Our artificial intelligence monitors the honey quality every single second. We use ultrasonic technology to ensure the honey remains smooth and never crystallizes. With the touch of technology, every drop of honey becomes extraordinary. High-pressure systems push the honey through final filters for absolute clarity. Hygiene is our religion. Everything is kept in a sterile environment. Our operations run 24/7 to meet the global demand for pure honey. Samples are taken during production for continuous quality verification. Hold the scale of modern engineering dedicated to natural purity. Our automated cleaning systems ensure every tank is sterilized between batches. Everything is controlled by a flawless software system for maximum efficiency. We analyze the viscosity to ensure the perfect texture in every bottle. Human expertise combined with robotic precision ensures our success. Safety is non-negotiable. Our sensors detect even the smallest anomaly. We measure the color spectrum to ensure the perfect golden glow of our honey. This is the brain of the factory, where every single machine is monitored. Automation keeps our waste at nearly 0%. The honey is now crystal clear and ready for the final bottling stage. The rhythm of industry brings pure nature to your table. The purification is over, the gold is heading to the filling line. Ready for the final step, bringing this goodness to the consumers. Now for the most exciting part, high-speed automated bottling. Robotic filling machine fills hundreds of jars per minute with precision. Caps are applied perfectly to ensure an airtight seal for long-lasting freshness. Laser technology prints expiry dates and batch codes for 100% traceability. Every detail matters, from the quality of the honey to the perfection of the label. We X-ray every bottle to ensure there are no fragments or defects inside. A massive production line ready to serve families across the country. We use holograms to prevent counterfeiting and ensure you get the real deal. Speed and precision, the hallmarks of our high-tech factory. Lids are tightened without human touch to maintain maximum hygiene. Scan the code to trace your honey back to the hive where it began. We cool the bottles to room temperature before they move to packaging. Not a single imperfect bottle will ever leave our factory doors. Symmetry is beauty, especially when it involves pure liquid gold. Ready for the boxing stage, the final home before it reaches the store. Sturdy boxes are created instantly to house our premium jars. We provide extra protection to ensure zero breakage during shipping. Every box is now logged into our digital tracking system. We verify the weight of every box to ensure the counts are perfect. Product is only successful when human eyes approve the machine's work. Packaging is now fully automated, 10 times faster than manual labor. Sealed and ready! These boxes are now safe to travel anywhere in the world. Our robots carry heavy loads across the factory without any human drivers. Every inch of space is used efficiently in our high-tech storage. We wrap the pallets in protective film to keep the boxes secure. Our warehouse is a 24/7 dark store operation, fully automated for speed. Our storage capacity is unimaginable, holding millions of jars at once. The fleet is ready. The destination is set. We use advanced logistics to ensure our honey reaches global markets. Paperless transactions make our shipping process fast and eco-friendly. The journey of purity begins its final leg to your local grocery store. Traveling miles to bring you the taste of authentic nature. Beyond borders, this taste is now recognized around the world. Ready to reach your local store, our pure honey is officially on the move.
As soon as it hits the shelves, customers reach for this pure American honey.
Look at the clarity of this. Conscious customers know they can rely on us for the highest quality. Nutritious for kids and the best energy source for adults, this is nature's gold. Taste and purity, when both meet, you get the best feeling in the world.
This was incredible. Thank you for joining this amazing journey. Subscribe now for more incredible tours.